Hello everyone, welcome to my videos. Myself Ashwin Nayak. From today, let we start 9 social science in geographical part, chapter 4, water resource of Karnataka. Water resource of Karnataka. In our previous class, we have to study the important rivers of Karnataka and then different types of irrigation in Karnataka, and then so which are the rivers to flowing on Karnataka? So these are all and irrigation and then canal projects of this Karnataka. So these are all informations we have to studying in our previous class. Okay, once again I remember that the rivers of Karnataka. Okay, how many types we can divide it into the rivers. The rivers of Karnataka can be divided into the two groups. At that first one, the east flowing rivers and then west flowing rivers. So which are the rivers to flowing on eastern side? Okay, look at that map. Krishna, Kaveri, Pennar and then Palar. Okay, look at that. At that first one, that is the Krishna river and then Tungabhadra and this side Kaveri and then Kolar district, Pennar and then Pala rivers. It's rivers to flows on the eastward on and join to the Bay of Bengal. And then western side. So which are the rivers flowing on western side? Okay, look at that. Kali, Gangavati, Sharavati, Varahi and then Netravati rivers to flow on westward and join the Arabian Sea. So this rivers is flowing to the western flowing rivers. And then different types of irrigation in Karnataka. So what are the different types we have to using the irrigation in the agricultural level? So these are all informations we have studying in our previous class. And then so which are the main irrigation projects of Karnataka? So these are all informations we are all studying in our previous class. But still today, let me discuss now the concept of the hydroelectric power. Okay, first of all, what was the meaning of hydroelectric power? Hydroelectric power. Look carefully, dear students. The water power is converted into the electric power is called hydroelectric power. ಸೊ ನೀರನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೀರಿನ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಶಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೈಡ್ರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ತರದಿಂದ ಧುಮುಕಂತಹ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ತನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲುಕ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯಾಮಿನ ಒಂದು ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೀರನ್ನು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಂಜಿನ್ ಮೋಟರನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ನೀರಿನ ರಭಸಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಮೋಟರ್ ತಿರುಗಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಪವರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪವರ್. ಆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪವರನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಹೈಡ್ರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪವರನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದಿಸ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಟು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಹೈಡ್ರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪವರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸೈಡ್. So that this credit for the successful generation for the hydroelectric power for the first time in India goes of this Karnataka. At the first time in this types of this project to plan on the ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಈ ಐಡಿಯಾವನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋಲ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಥೇಚ್ಛವಾಗಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ this is the great opportunity for the generation to using on hydropower. So there are rivers which can provide to the sufficient power of the whole state. You know, the so many rivers, it is to very sufficient power to supply for this hydropower in the whole state. So the river flowing towards and then west are more suitable for the power generation can river flowing towards on this the eastern side. So hagadre which are the rivers we have to using the hydro powers? Yeah, at the first time the India goes to Karnataka and then using this plan of hydroelectric plant. So in this hydroelectric power station, at that first time to use it on Shivana Samudra was established in the 1902 to supply power to the Kolar on gold mines. ಸೊ ಶಿವನ ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಪತ್ತಿಯಾಗುವಂಥ ಕರೆಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೋಲಾರದ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೈನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಪವರನ್ನು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಶಿವನ ಸಮುದ್ರ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟು ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ ಕಾವೇರಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾವೇರಿ ರಿವರ್ ಇದು ಶಿವನ ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ಪವರನ್ನು ಟರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟು ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇನ್ ದ 1902ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೋಲಾರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೈನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು, ದಿಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈಡ್. At a short distance to away from it the second hydro power station. Hydro power station ಎಲ್ಲಾಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ it is to be established on the Shimsha river in 1940. So in this 1940 and then second project he has to take on to that river Shimsha. And then third one it is to be the Jog Falls on Sharavati river. So this river to fulfill increase the demand for hydroelectric power in the Mahatma Gandhi Ji hydroelectric power station. So at the Jog Falls it is to very suitable for this. We have to power generated on this hydroelectric powers. So it is to be established on 1947. And then mainly we have to consider on these projects in Karnataka. At that first one Shivana Samudra on Kaveri river and then Shimsa also, and then Shimsha river, and then second one, and then third one Jog Falls on Sharavati river. The power station name is the Mahatma Gandhi Ji hydroelectric power station. So later on more hydro projects was developed under that 5-year plan. So after the 5-year plan it is to be more hydroelectric power we have to using on the so many rivers. As a result, these developments, the Karnataka ranked for this first in generations of this hydroelectric powers. And then, so which are the main hydroelectric power projects of Karnataka? Okay, let me see that one by one. Shivana Samudra and Shimsha. Okay, in this side, Shivana Samudra and Shimsha in this southern part. Shimsha and Shivana Samudra on Kaveri river. Sharavati, Linganmakki, Gerusappa, And Jodhpur, so it means the Mahatma Gandhi hydropower station on that, the Sharavati. Look at that. Gerusappe, Sharavati, Mahatma Gandhi ji. So these are all were in the Sharavati river. Super, Nagarjari, Kadra, Kodasali. So these are all on the Kali river. Kodahalli, Nagarjari, Super. It is all on the Kali river. And Varahi, Marikanwe on that Varahi river. Marikanwe it means Vani Vilasa Sagar. And then Bhadra, Tungabhadra, Ghataprabha, and Alamatti on the Krishna river. Alamatti, Ghataprabha, Malaprabha, it is to be on the Krishna river. So these are the main hydroelectric power projects of this Karnataka. And the next one, the river water dispute. So how did the river's water it is to be disputed on this Karnataka? So the many rivers in Indian flow more than to that one state. This gives rise to the dispute regarding to use of this river water. The Kaveri water dispute and this Krishna water dispute the Karnataka are of this the kinds. The catchment areas of this rivers Kaveri in spread in this Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Pondicherry. The rivers was dispute between that Karnataka and then Tamil Nadu is more than century old. It is to be the burning issues even today. ಸೊ ಕಾವೇರಿ ರಿವರಿನ ಹಂಚಿಕೆಗಾಗಿ ಈಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮತ್ತು ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಿನ ನಡುವೆ ಅವಾಗವಾಗ ಗಲಭೆಗಳಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. And then next, the river Krishna to flow through the different states. Okay, look at that map. The river Krishna, it is to through on the different types at that Maharashtra, Karnataka, and then Andhra Pradesh. This has given the rise of river water dispute. Okay, this is the informations of the water dispute of Karnataka. Okay, orally, this chapter is over.